Hello students, welcome to Neema Academy e-learning. Today we will learn about ratio. So without further ado, let's begin the video by the definition of ratio. So what is called ratio? Ratio is the way of comparing two quantities of the same kind. Do you understand just by the definition? No, I think you are not. So let's take an example for better understanding. In a grocery shop, the mixed dal is made by mixing mas and musuro in the ratio of 3:2. It means that if 3 kg mas, then 2 kg musuro must be mixed. If 6 kg mas, then 4 kg musuro. If 9 kg mas, then 6 kg musuro must be mixed. If 15 kg mas, then 10 kg musuro must be mixed to get the lowest term as 3:2 for the given mixture. First, 6 kg is to 4 kg is equal to 6/2 is to 4/2. Dividing by 2 is equal to 3:2. Similarly, 9 kg is to 6 kg is equal to 9/3 is to 6/3. Dividing by 3 is equal to 3:2. Now 15 kg is to 10 kg is equal to 15/5 is to 10/5. Dividing by 5 is equal to 3:2. In this way, in each of the mixture given above, the ratio is 3:2. These are called equivalent ratios. Dear students, I think we have studied fraction and ratio in the previous sections. However, let's differentiate the fraction and ratio by taking real-life example that you might be familiar with. Let's start with fraction. We use fractions in every day without even knowing it. A pizza is a great example of fractions. Each piece represents a part of a whole. In the video, the pizza is divided into 8 pieces. If I have 1 piece, the fraction of pizza I am eating is 1/8. And for ratio, let's take an example as, consider there are 4 apples in a bowl containing 6 pieces of fruit. What is the ratio of apples to the total amount of fruit? The answer is 2:3. If the 2 pieces of fruit that are not apples are oranges, what is the ratio of apples to the oranges? What do you think? The answer is 2:1. So a ratio is not a fraction, but just for simplification purpose, we express in a fraction. We are done understanding about ratio. I hope you all understand well. Thank you and have a good time.